Good morning. I don't know. I almost got hit by a truck today. I think he was drunk because he was weaving back and forth on the road. And what made it worse is that it had a boat on the back just weaving and wobbling too. He's on his way down to the river, but he almost hit me a little bit ago. That takes a whole lot of stupid. It does. So I decided to make this video this morning to keep myself entertained and hopefully entertain you guys too. Oh, there goes the Jeep that passes me every morning. Well, yeah, that's alright. See, it is September, the 13th? Friday the 13th. Oh, my Lord. Wow. Now I understand. Except for I thought it was going to start at night, with the full moon out. But no, not here. It starts morning time. 6 a.m. is what time I woke up this morning. Dear Lord. Okay, well, I'm going to let you go. I'm going to post this on my YouTube channel, probably Facebook, I don't know. But if you like this video, please leave my video a like and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Thank you, and have a nice morning.